Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and I have another New Year clean with me video. So I'm in the kids' bathroom now. I've taken everything off the shelves so that we can clean everything, and then I'll show you me putting everything back on. So let's get started. Oh, does anyone else love a good clean bathroom as much as me? If you only knew how good this bathroom smelt right now, oh my gosh, it is literally like flowers. So I've put all my regular decor back on here now. Um, yeah, I haven't really done a lot to the bathroom. It's pretty much just the same as it always is, but geez, it smells good. Got my little shelf here with a few decor items on there. These pictures I've just printed straight off the internet. They were just really farmhousey looking and I loved them, so printed them off. And that spray, that air freshener spray that was sitting on my shelf there is amazing. That is also from Coles. I think it's about $5 a bottle. So not cheap, but it does smell amazing. And I've just given our under the sink cupboard a little bit of a tidy up as well. No time for rest, we're heading into the main bathroom. So I don't know if I'm weird, but I like to start the new year off with all brand new products in the bathrooms and the showers. I've always done this and I don't know why. Even the stuff that's still, half empty, I'll just put in the cupboard to use throughout the year. But I just like to start the new year off with all brand new products. So these are the products I've gotten for Jamie. I know it sounds so weird when I say it out loud, but it just is so normal inside my head. And these are the products I've got for Jessie. I love the smell of this shampoo and conditioner. Herbal Essence in, I'm not sure what the fragrance is, but it's the pink ones. Just smells so nice. And then for her face care, we've got the, I don't even know how to say that, face gel wash and scrub, and Palmolive shower gel. So yeah, let me know if anyone else does this or if it's just me totally being really, really weird. And to go with the new products, we need new loofahs. Oh wow, is there anything better than a nice clean bathroom, at least for 5 minutes until the kids get in there and have a shower? Oh, I just feel so good now that it's all clean. And just as a tip to get like streak-free shower, I clean the shower like I showed you in the video, and to rinse it all off, I use very hot water, like hot water with the shower nozzle, and rinse it all down, and it just, for me, it just leaves a streak-free finish. The whole glass is just perfectly clear, no water drops or anything. So this is the second video in my little New Year Clean and Redecorate with Me series. I have previously done my entryway, and coming up after this one will be my living room. I'll leave a link to the entryway video on the screen now if you'd like to check that video out, and make sure you press that subscribe button. Subscribing is free. All it will do is just notify you next time I upload a video. So if you want to see me redecorate my whole house, room by room, definitely hit that subscribe button and it will notify you each time I upload a video.